Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your SST teacher, Ma'am Fatma from Allied School with first lecture of SST of grade 7. Today I am gonna deliver you a lecture from a geography section. Let's start. Chapter number 1 on page number 1. Geography in the Muslim world. First of all, we should know what is meant by geography. Geography is the study of physical features of Earth and its environment. Physical features includes mountains, rivers, desert, plains, plateaus and hills. Muslim world means the countries where the majority of population is Muslim and their government also declared them Islamic states. So we can say that in this chapter we will study about the land, which type of land is found in the Muslim world. It is mountainous or have rivers or deserts, plains and plateaus of the Muslim world. Open your book, page number 1, chapter number 1, Geography of the Muslim world. You can see a bar graph here which is showing the estimated numbers of followers of 4 main religions in the world. The first and topmost religion of the world is Christianity, that are found 33% of the total world population. Islam is the second largest and the fastest growing religion in the world, and its followers found 21% of the total population of the world. Third religion is Hinduism, which are found 14% in the total world, Buddhist 6% and others small religion 26%. Here is a symbol which is present in every map and which help us to locate the place on a map. You can see north at the top, south at the bottom, east at the right hand and west at the left hand. If we talk about Muslim world, the dimension of Muslim world from east to west is 15,000 km. It means Muslim world stretches from east to west 15,000 km and from north to south it stretches about 6,000 km. On page number 2, the first map is showing the dimension of the Muslim world. You can see a symbol here also. It means that the green color is showing the Muslim world or Muslim countries of the world. It means from here east to west, Muslim world stretches about 15,000 km and from north to south it stretches about 6,000 km. Physical features, as I told you, physical features include mountains, river, desert, plains, plateaus and hills, etc. As you can see from the map on page number 2, most of the Muslim countries are located on level land. The main mountains are Atlas region in the North Africa. That is, Atlas mountains are present in North Africa. The highlands of Ethiopia. Ethiopia is also in Africa. Yemen and the southern end of Saudi Arabia is also highland. Eastern Turkey and much of Iran. These are the areas where mountains are present. The highest region in the Muslim world are Afghanistan and the Hindu Kush and Karakoram mountain of Pakistan. However, few people live in these mountainous regions. You can see the map on page number 2. This is showing the physical features of the Muslim world. You can see in North Africa there is Atlas mountain, highland of Ethiopia. This is a continent of Africa and there are 2 highlands, Atlas mountain and highlands of Ethiopia. In Southwest Asia, in Yemen, and in southern end of Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is found here, and its southern end is also mountainous, and Yemen is also mountainous region. This is Turkey. The eastern part of Turkey is mountainous and has mountain, and much of Iran. In this map, it is Afghanistan, which is the highest in the Muslim world, highest point in the Muslim world, and northern part of Pakistan also have highest mountains, that is Karakoram and Hindu Kush. Learn this information box also. Officially, there are 55 countries whose Muslim population is more than 50% to 100%. Muslim are otherwise found in almost all other countries where they form 1% to 36% of the population. Come on, book page number 3. Look at this map. Most of the Muslim world are found in semi-desert and scrub, in hot desert, temperate desert, and tropical rainforest. Yellow color is showing hot desert. You can see these areas are desert in the Muslim world. Tropical rainforests are present in Central Asia. This green color is showing tropical rainforest, and in Southeast Asia, that is Malaysia and Indonesia. Except these two region, that is in Central Asia and in Malaysia, Indonesia, there is no vegetation found. Mostly the Muslim world is desertic, hot desert, semi-desert or temperate desert. In these desert, that is in the map which I am showing with yellow color, which I highlighted with the pointer, in these desert, apart from few oases, little and nothing grows except very tough plants which can survive in such harsh conditions. In desert, their rainfall receives is 10 inches only, so only tough plants can grow and nothing can grow in the desert. They can provide, it means these tough plants can provide food only for hardiest sheep and goat, usually kept by nomadic or semi-nomadic people who wander with their flocks and herds in search of pastures. There are, however, considerable areas of tropical rainforest in the parts of Central Asia and Southeast Asia. As I told you, this is Central Asia and Southeast Asian countries, Malaysia and Indonesia. In this region, tropical rainforests are found, which produce huge amount of timber and tropical forest products such as rubber and tropical fruits. It means from this region, rubber, timber and tropical fruits are found in these regions. In the other countries, good farm crops are produced in the valleys of great rivers, the Nile, Tigris, Euphrates and Indus, and in other places by irrigation. Dear students, it's all about the lecture number 1 of SST of class 7th. Chapter number 1, Geography in the Muslim World. Learn the definition of geography, Muslim world and physical features, and also learn the dimensions of the Muslim world: east to west 15,000 kilometer, north to south 6,000 kilometer. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Ma'am Fatma again here of SST lecture. Chapter number 1, Geography of the Muslim World, book reading question. Here are some book reading question with page number. Later I mark answer of these questions on your book. You have to learn all these book reading questions in a one day. The first book reading question is, define Muslim word. The answer of this question is on page number 1. Question number 2, write the names of 10 Islamic states. This is an assignment for you and you have to do it by yourself. Question number 3, name 4 main religions of the Muslim world with percentage. The answer is on page number 1. Question number 4, write dimensions of the Muslim world, page number 1. Question number 5, which areas in the Muslim world have mountains, page number 1. Question number 6, which type of vegetation is found in desert? The answer of this question is on page number 3. What is the use of tough plants of desert? Page number 3. Question number 8, in which areas tropical rainforests are found? The answer of this question is also on page number 3. Question number 9, which products are found in tropical rainforest? The answer of this question is also on page number 3. The last question of book reading is question number 10, where the major crops are produced, page number 3. Where the major farm crops are produced, page number 3. The answer of these questions are on your book. I am going to mark the answer of these questions. The question number 1, define Muslim world. The answer of this question is the Muslim world to mean those countries whose government have declared that they are Islamic state, for example Iran and Saudi Arabia, and those countries where the majority of the population is Muslim. Question number 2, write the names of 10 Islamic states. This is assignment, you have to do by yourself. Question number 3, name 4 main religion of the world with percentage. The answer of this question is in this bar graph. You have to write the religion and its percentage. Christianity or Christian 33%, Muslims 21%, Hindu 14% and Buddhist 6%. This is the answer of question number 3, book reading question. The question number 4, book reading question is write the dimensions of the Muslim world. The answer is the Muslim world stretches about 15,000 km east to west and 6,000 km north to south. This is the answer of question number 4, book reading. The question number 5 is which areas in the Muslim world have the mountains? The answer is the main mountains are the Atlas Range in North Africa, the highlands of Ethiopia, Yemen and the southern end of Saudi Arabia, eastern Turkey and much of Iran, the highest mountain regions of all the Afghanistan and the Hindu Kush and Karakoram mountains of Pakistan. The answer of this question is from the main mountains till mountains of Pakistan. This is 5th book reading question. The 6th book reading question is which type of vegetation is found in desert? The answer is on page number 3. In desert areas, apart from few oases, little or nothing grows except very tough plants which are called cactus, which can survive in such harsh conditions. This is the answer of question number 6 book reading. Question number 7, what is the use of tough plants of desert? These can provide food only for hardiest sheep and goats. The answer of question number 7 book reading, these can provide food only for the hardiest sheep and goats. Question number 8, in which areas tropical rainforests are found? The answer of the question number 8 book reading is Central Africa and Southeast Asia. Central Africa and Southeast Asia, the answer of question number 8 book reading. Question number 9, which products are found in tropical rainforest? The answer of question number 9 book reading question is from here. You have to write by yourself. Here, they produce huge amount of timber and tropical forest products such as rubber and tropical fruit. This is the answer of question number 9 book reading question. The last question or question number 10 is where the major farm crops are produced. The answer of this question is farm crops are produced in the valleys of great rivers, the Nile, Tigris, Euphrates and Indus, and in other places by irrigation. The book reading questions are completed and you have to learn all these questions in a one day. You have not to write these questions in your notebook. Only learn these questions. Now exercise question number 1. We will do only question number 1 and 3. So question number 2 is skipped, cross it. We will do only question number 1 and 3. These are exercise question number 1. Look at the world map in your atlas. Although there are Muslims in every country of the world, there are no Islamic states in 3 continents. Can you name them? You have to write the 3 continent names which have no Islamic countries. The answer of this question is in North America, South America, Australia and most of Europe. In North America, South America, Australia and most of Europe, there are no any Islamic countries in these 3 continents. Question number 3. Question number 3 answer. The question is, look at the map given above and note the details of natural vegetation in the Muslim world. Make a table showing the names of the Muslim countries and their natural vegetation. From this map, you have to write the make the table of the Muslim countries and tell them where the which type of natural vegetation is found in these countries. The answer of this question is tropical rainforest, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Indonesia and Central African country. Tropical rainforests are found in Bangladesh, Malaysia, Indonesia and Central African countries. Hot deserts, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Egypt and Libya. Hot deserts are found in Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Egypt and Libya. Temperate deserts are found in Iran and Afghanistan, and semi-deserts and scrubs are found in Somalia. This is the answer of question number 3.